Hey champions, welcome and congratulations on taking the first step towards surfing with more confidence, control, and style. You've just unlocked something that I genuinely believe every surfer should know, and yet most have never even heard about. Because in this mini training series, I'm going to show you how to fix one mistake that more than half of surfers are making, a mistake that's quietly holding back their progression, no matter how long they've been surfing. And the best part, it's not about fitness or talent or how many hours you spend in the water. It comes down to how you stand on your board. Now, the way you stand influences everything. Your speed, your control, your turns, even how good you look on a wave. Most people are unknowingly using a stance that actually is working against them. And today we're going to try and change that. Now, when surf schools first began in the 50s and 60s, there was no real system, no clear teaching structure. Surf instructors just copied what they saw the pros were doing. And back then, most of the photos in all the surf magazines were showing barrel riding, which is iconic, but also one of the most difficult skills in surfing. So unconsciously, surf schools adapted a single stance, the barrel stance, and started teaching it as the only stance. And the problem is that that stance is useful when you're actually inside a barrel. Otherwise, it just looks like you're going for a poo. Fast forward to today, we have better video analysis. We understand board design, aquadynamics, and biomechanics far more clearly. And what we've discovered is this. Good surfers don't use just one stance, they use multiple, but the majority of their time is spent switching between two distinct stances. One stance for managing speed, that's your trim stance, and one stance for turning and changing direction, that's your carve stance. Learn these two stances, and knowing when to move between them is one of the fastest ways to improve your surfing, no matter what board you ride. So in this free video series, I'm going to show you what the trim stance is and why it gives you effortless speed, what the carve stance is and how it unlocks power and control, how to transition between them smoothly, and the most common mistakes surfers make and how you can avoid them starting on your very next wave. Now, this isn't trial and error. This is the same methodology we use to coach surfers all around the world, from complete beginners to advanced surfers preparing for competition. And it works because it takes the guesswork out of surfing. So let's do it. See you in the next part, and I guarantee the way you approach your surfing is about to change for the good.